Hey guys, I'm gonna have a Beyblade battle. This dude is Earth Eagle, if I'm correct. With all this. Then this customized dude. And this customized dude. It'll be a second. So, wait one moment. Okay, I'm back. Now, let me get a good view. Sorry, I might as well just put the camera down and then I'll start it. Okay, here they are in action. Oh, this dude's out. It's these two. Got some action. And Earth Eagle wins. Now it's going to be the loser bracket. It'll take 1 second. Just let me get ready. Okay. Yeah. Almost ready. I'm gonna start the launch in just a second. Okay, here they are. Circling just boom, boom. Who will win? And this dude has won. So this dude right here is gone. He's gone. Okay, now for the championship. Okay, now let me get ready. Okay, here they are. Oh, Earth Eagle is attacking. Circling. Boom. Boom. Pretty close battle here. They're getting leveled out. And this blue dude right here, he's starting to spin a little bit slower. So I don't know who's gonna win. Very close battle. Spinning rapidly. It looks like the blue dude right here is gonna lose. I don't know though. Oh, he's starting to lose control. Oh no. Who's gonna win? Very close battle. The loser is him. Congratulations, Earth Eagle. You are the winner. So, this is probably one of the better Beyblades out of these three right here, which is this. So we got that, and that, and then this, and then this. So, here you go. Winner. It's right there. So, see ya. Like, subscribe. See ya.